So if you are given the option to choose between peace of mind versus having all the money in the world, which one will you choose? Would you want to have all the money in the world, or you just want some peace of mind? Or you would want both, some money as well as peace of mind? Now, I want you to think about that question carefully before you answer. Many of the problems we have in this world and whatever we are doing boils down to one thing: everyone wants to have peace of mind. But the question we need to ask ourselves is, number one, what is peace of mind? Number two, we need to ask ourselves also, how do we get this peace of mind? Does money really give you peace of mind? Or does poverty and not having access to the resources that will make your life better give peace of mind? On the stream today, I want to share with you some tips on how you can actually achieve peace of mind. Now, there is a blueprint on how you can achieve peace of mind, and that is what I want to share with you on the podcast today. But let me hear from you in the comment section. What is peace of mind to you? It is important you define what peace of mind will mean to you. You see, one of the things that is going on in the world today is that many people have become delusional about the world. Why? Because they want to have certain lifestyles, wear certain clothing, eat at certain places, travel in a certain fashion, and behave in a certain manner, all because they have seen these things being exhibited by people on Instagram, on Twitter, on Snapchat, and they are like, yes, if I get this, then I'll be happy. If I get this, and I'll become peaceful. If I get this, hell yes, I will be content with my life. But the question we need to ask ourselves really is, what is peace of mind? And you need to define this for yourself so that you can have peace of mind. But let's answer this. What is peace of mind? I am going to give you two key definitions of peace of mind. Then we will now build the knowledge on how we can actually achieve peace of mind. Now, according to vocabulary.com, peace of mind can be defined as a state in which your brain is calm, at ease, and untroubled by worry. This common phrase describes a feeling of tranquility or state of carefree contentment that can be hard to achieve. So this is the definition of peace of mind by vocabulary.com. Let's look at another definition of peace of mind by crosswalk.com. Crosswalk.com. Now, according to crosswalk.com, peace of mind from a biblical perspective involves more than just relieving anxiety or stress. It involves your entire soul being at rest. And a reference is made to 2 Corinthians chapter 2, verse 13, because you are trusting God, which is Isaiah 26, verse 3, and presenting your concerns in every situation into God in prayer. And that is Philippians chapter 4, 6, and 7. So the question we ask ourselves then is, how can one achieve peace of mind? What does it take to experience peace of mind? Because really, being in a state of calmness where you don't panic, you don't worry, it makes life much better. So how do you achieve peace of mind? There are a couple of tips that I want to share with you.